KFC's brought out a brand new meal deal that, well, it almost looks too good to be true. It's the $12.50 Double Whammy Deal. Looks like there's tons of chicken in it. So how about we whip in, grab one, suss it out, and see if it is as good as it looks. Let's go. Now, I don't know if it's an app-only special or you can just go through the drive-thru or order it in store, but I'll try through the drive-thru and see if I can order it this way. This KFC has got a drive-thru, so let's use it. Wrong window. Right, up here. Okay. Can't see it on the board. Oh, Valentine's Day's coming up. Sure. Just be a moment, she will. Ooh, Pacific oysters, $30 a dozen. Jeez, that sounds expensive. All right, Mr. Fix-It-All. Tell you what, that's a job I could probably do. I'm good at fixing things. I'm also really good at breaking them.
Hello, can I take your order?
Have you got the double whammy? Can I order it through the drive-thru?
Sorry, the Double Whammy Deal?
Yes.
I believe that's an app only, unfortunately. We don't have it on our registers.
Oh, okay. I'll order it through the app then. No worries. There's no one behind me. I can get out of the drive-thru.
Okay, all good. Thank you.
See you soon. Right. Luckily, there's no one behind me. But it is an app-only special. So I'm going to have to order it on the app and go into the store and grab one. Right. This is kind of a bit dodgy, but hey. Dodginess is one of my specialties. Well, here we go. The $12.50 Double Whammy Deal. $12.50 it cost. And it's so big that they had to serve it in like a shopping bag. Anyway, it has some serious weight about it. I've got the scales. Let's see how much it does weigh. 1 kilo and 68 grams. 7. Well, I am going to have to take off probably 80 grams, maybe 100 for all the packaging. But still, you're looking at 900 grams, almost a kilo of food. Wow! Anyway, let's suss it out, crack it open and see what we actually get. All right, well, this could take a while. But 1 chip's there. 2 chips, oh yes. Oh, and a massive box inside that really just wants to fall apart on me. Okay, let's take a look. Wow! Mate! This has got to be one of the best meal deals I've ever seen! Now, the Double Whammy Deal is supposed to be 2 pieces of golden original recipe, 2 fiery zinger fillets, 2 wicked wings, 2 succulent original tenders, and 2 times chips. All right, well, I got my 2 times chips there. Here's my 2 zinger fillets. Don't know what I'm going to do with those. Probably eat them. And original bits of chicken recipe here, 2 of, and 2 wicked wings and 2 tenders. Mate! How good is that? Mate, there is so much food here. Honestly, you could feed 3 people with this. That's like $4.18 each or something. Well, how about I start off with some of these chips. Bit soggy. No crunch, And hardly any seasoning. Now I might save the zinger fillet till last because when you add spice to your tongue straight up, it can affect the flavors of other things. But honestly, these tenders, wow, they just look so good. And ooh, lots of coating on there. Come at me, my friend. Wow. There's almost a greasiness about this chicken. Like the old days. That was good. And what else have I got? 2 bits of original recipe. And they didn't give me the scroungy bits either. They gave me the good bits with lots of coating on it. Oh, yes. Wow, this chicken looks really greasy and oily like it's supposed to be. Wow. And look at this. I can peel off this big bit of skin. Oh. This is incredible. Oh. Wow. It just tastes like the old days. I do have a wicked wing here. Time to start getting some heat into me. Mate, I don't know what they've done at that KFC, but whatever it is, please keep doing it. The chicken's all greasy and oily and flavorful and tasty, just the way it should be. Oh, that's good. Right, time for a zinger fillet. I don't think I've ever eaten one of these just on their own. Might be good to take it home and make your own zinger burger at home with them. Whew. Maybe I'll do that. Wow. That was so juicy. So flavoursome. Dude. This box is incredible. But I wonder what score I'd give it. Out of 10. Well, value-wise, $12.50 for probably around a kilo of food. Mate, the closest thing you get to that nowadays is if you go and buy a bag of rice. And that's not even cooked. Flavour-wise, mate, I don't know what that restaurant has done or if they've changed their recipe back to being like half decent and normal again. But every slice and every piece and everything in this meal today was spot on. Except for the chips, of course. They were soggy and seasonless. But the zinger fillet, that was just so tasty. It was like really a burst of juice into my mouth and really flavoursome and awesome. The original recipe, mate, I got a couple of absolutely beauty bits today with tons of coating on it. They were like they were double coated or something. Man, they were good. The wicked wings, well, they were good too. Nice and spicy, juicy, oily, greasy, flavoursome. What more do you want? And the tenders, always a classic. Just beautiful, delicious, nice coating. Even these were greasy and oily. Mate, the whole box was absolutely incredible. It was an absolute beauty and tasted awesome. I can't believe that. I gave so much food. So for my all over value, all over flavour, all over taste, all over everything score for the double whammy deal, $12.50 from KFC, app only. Wow, mate, I've got to give this a... Whoa. 10 out of 10. Mate, find me a better meal deal than this. Nearly a kilo of food and it tasted awesome and fantastic. Whoa. Oh, except for these chips, of course. Looks like I know what I'm going to be eating for dinner tonight. Whoa. Well, a salad, of course. But then I might have this for lunch again tomorrow. Doesn't matter. Either ways, I'm getting 2 meals out of it, maybe even 3. But wow, what a meal deal. Thank you, KFC. A round of applause for you. Well, if you've made it this far, why don't you show the video some thumbing love? Leave a comment below to let me know what you think about this meal deal, because I think it's awesome. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time for my next fast food review. I'll see you then.
Ooh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the review